Today I have a 1968 Pontiac Firebird Convertible, finished in factory correct solar red with white and black interior. I'm going to walk around it, tell you more about the car, fire it up and start it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. So here we go. 1968 Pontiac Firebird. It's a 6-cylinder overhead cam, number matching automatic. A guy told me two numbers. It's one of 343 or it's 653 that they only made with the 6-cylinder overhead cam with the convertible, solar red with the white and black interior. Let me show you the interior real quick on it. White seats, white door panels, black dash, black carpet, white top. Top is new. And I will pop the hood open real quick before I get started here. There you go. Power steering. I'll leave that open for the duration of the video. So I'll walk around and tell you more about it. It looks to be about 90,000 original miles. One repaint. A little scratch right there. Chrome's been replaced, so the front bumper's in real nice condition. And the rear bumper looks to be even better than this. Body's straight, it's original metal. Nice underhood. Nice motor, real pretty engine compartment, real original looking. So being a one repaint, there are a couple flaws on the car. It looks like if you get close up on it, you see a little bit of like those towel scratches from over time. So something that could easily be wet sanded and buffed out of it. But the paint shines real nice. Real pretty. I'll lower the hood now. Show you that. Little chip there, another little chip there that's been touched up, and then another chip here that's been touched up. So like I said, it's a number matching overhead cam motor, so kind of cool. Cams on top, Pontiac thing. Pretty interesting how they managed to do that. Nice glass, got a little tint to it. I think that's factory tint. Pontiac correct wheels, white wall tires, white letter tires, excuse me. And it looks to be an original stripe car, and you can kind of see that when they did take the stripe off, it left a little line in it. So it could easily be replaced. I did a little research. I could only find the high output ones where it says HO here, but I'm sure I only did a little bit of research. I'm sure you could find one and just boom, give it that super correct look again. Straight body, like I said, it is the original metal. There's no rust on the body. A couple of touch-ups right there that I missed. Chips. And then a couple chips that have been touched up right there. A couple along the door jamb. Like I said, it is a one repaint, so anytime between 68, let's say they probably painted it 30 years ago. But it's held up real nice for being of the age. And being 90,000 original miles, when they did paint it, they obviously didn't use and abuse it. There's an old little thing there, an oil change sticker, a couple of numbers, which makes me feel like it is 90,000. It hasn't rolled over. Obviously, it's not 190,000. So, nice door panel. Bucket seats are really nice. No rips on them, no tears. Back seats real nice too. I just popped that handle out. I'm an idiot, so I got it laying there just to show you. Beautiful dash. The paint is gorgeous. It has the original radio and another one, left it for show. Nice gauges. The dash pad has no cracks in it. Nice carpet as well. All the glass is nice. Like I said, it's a brand new convertible top, so the black window's real clear. It's not yellowed at all. Even down there, that material that it folds into is in excellent condition. Couple chips and a couple more on this rear tire that have been touched up. couple more on this line. Another chip down there. Another one right there. Like I said, that rear bumper is excellent condition. Kind of chipped away, but nothing there. Trunk is nice. I will pop it. And a couple weird little marks here on the paint, and it matches it right here. Other than that, this deck lid's real nice. Yeah. Super solid, the original jack instructions. Matte parade boot. No, it's a convertible top boot, or parade boot, I guess. Jack, matte, spare. Super solid under here. I have pictures of it on the ad. No rust. It's probably the original spatter paint too, which is nice to see. Another little, buffing compound. Little mark right there. Another little chip there. Another chip there. And again, on this side, you can kind of see that line from that stripe. I recommend putting the line on. I think that would give it a great look. A little chip right here on like the gills. Couple chips right there, probably when the thing was peeled off. Again, glass is excellent. Nice door panels. I know this is a little misshaded, but I have a brand new one that matches the rest of it that's included. Nice door jamb. So like I said, it is a 68 Pontiac Firebird Convertible, number match, 6-cylinder overhead cam, automatic, believed to be 90,000 original miles. And again, I knocked it off, pop it right back on, boom, I just, yeah, whatever. Will be for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video, so if you have any interest, go on, check it out. Or if you are coming from eBay and you have interest, let me know. Send me an email, call us, message us online, whatever you want to do. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. Couple more chips on there, and I'm sure there's a couple more I missed on that door jamb there. Rare, low production car. Oh, what the hell? Some of that buffing compound didn't come off. There we go. We're all human. So, we'll fire it up real soon. Quick little spin around the block. You can hear it, see it run. Purrs like a kitten, smooth as can be. And thanks for watching. Here we go. Here's the 6-cylinder overhead cam. Power steering. Fire it up now. Super smooth running.